In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tabular Editor with Power BI. By the end, you'll be confidently linking Tabular Editor to your Power BI report so you can review and manage your model with ease. First, you'll need Tabular Editor installed on your machine. Head to the official Tabular Editor website, download the installer that matches your system, and run it. The setup is straightforward. Accept the license, choose the default options unless you have specific preferences, and complete the installation. If Power BI Desktop is open during installation, it's fine to leave it running, but restarting Power BI afterward can help ensure everything registers correctly. Once the installation is complete, open Tabular Editor and make sure you also have your Power BI report open in Power BI Desktop. This is important because Tabular Editor connects to the in-memory model that Power BI Desktop spins up when a report is open. If there isn't a report open, there won't be a model for Tabular Editor to find. Inside Tabular Editor, look to the top left corner and click File. Choose Open and then select Model from DB. This tells Tabular Editor you want to connect to a model hosted by a local analysis services instance, which is what Power BI Desktop provides behind the scenes while your report is open. Next, you'll see a drop-down labeled Local Instance. Click that drop-down and select the available entry. This represents the temporary local server that Power BI Desktop has created for your open report. If you have multiple Power BI reports open, you may see more than one entry. Pick the one that corresponds to the report you're working with. If the drop-down looks empty, double-check that Power BI Desktop is running and your report is actually open. After selecting the local instance, click OK. Give it a moment to load. Tabular Editor will connect to the model, and you should see your tables, columns, measures, hierarchies, and relationships appear in the Explorer. This confirms the connection is successful. From here, you can inspect your model structure, review calculations, and prepare any adjustments you want to make. Keep in mind, when you save changes in Tabular Editor, they're applied back to the Open Power BI report model, so it's a good idea to save your Power BI file beforehand. And that's all there is to it. You've connected Tabular Editor with Power BI, and you're ready to work more efficiently with your data model.